let's unbox. Okay, so guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today we are just going to be doing something very simple. See, I sat myself down and spoke to myself that I'm going to take content creation very serious, and in so doing I made e-commerce site my best friend. So early last week when I was surfing on JUMIA, I found some pretty good items and I bought this, and I also bought this. Wait, you're probably thinking that this guy has gone bonkers. What is he doing with 2 microphones? Honestly, the reason is not all that deep, but here's why I bought 2 mics. So initially the plan was to get this, but while scrolling on JUMIA I found this first, and I later on found this. Mind you, I bought these 2 products for very good prices. If you want to know the price of this product, stay tuned to the end of the video where I reveal the price of this product. So without further ado, let's unbox, guys. More. That's not supposed to be on camera. So firstly, we are going to unbox the RGB gaming microphone. So fun fact, when I got this product, I actually thought it wasn't mine because I actually pictured this to be bigger than this, but it's so small. But anyways, let's get into it and see what is inside, guys. There's quite a lot in here. Wow, I must say, for a minute there I doubted even if this was going to hold the tripod. But why the heck is this so small? I guess it's the price, because the price is very actually good, so it's tempting to get something this small. But something I'm looking so forward to is the RGB feature of this microphone. So whilst we get all this fixed up, let's get into the other microphone. Why do I have a feeling you guys all waited for this? This is the F4 wireless microphone, and for a while now I've been dreaming of getting this microphone because I have a friend. He knows himself. He owns this microphone, and I've secretly been dreaming of buying it, but I was broke. Let me see if I can get some ASMR done over here. Satisfying, right? So now for the biggest reveal. Ta-da! Okay, it's not that bad. It looks very nice, very compact. Why isn't it removing? Okay, so it's removed. So it looks very nice, very compact. So I'm still shocked at the prices of this, because getting 2 of this for this price. So this also came with an iPhone, obviously, because I use an iPhone. So obviously I'll need a one with a lightning cable. So this should tell you I'm not using iPhone 15. Sell out. And lastly, we have some wires in here. I think, what do these wires do? I thought it's supposed to be wireless. I forgot we are in a world whereby we call something that is actually wired wireless. So this is actually meant to be wireless. This is type C. I think it's for charging your mics when they discharge. These are the 2 mics. This is the receiver, I guess. Is that what they call it? And this is the type C charger for the mics. And it also came with some foamy thing, which is not that soft. And it also came with some manuals. Okay, I forgot to tell you that the other one came with manuals too, but I'm actually never going to read manuals as far as you know me and you know this channel. So I don't think I can use this on this video for you guys. But if you want to see how well this works, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the post notification to be notified whenever I drop a video using this mic. So now let's rewind back to the past. Okay, so we are done setting it up, and this is how it looks after being set up. Honestly, I still think this is too small for me, but I think I'll give it a pass because of the light and the RGB or whatever. It still look aesthetically pleasing. This audio is actually being recorded on this new microphone. So tell me how it sounds as compared to the previous one, which is the biggest one I have so far. So now to the most important part of the video you guys all waited to watch. I actually got this for 98 cedis. And I got this for 130 cedis, and now I'm officially broke.
Poverty sat me down, face to face, told me personally, say you, I will kill you. But I didn't give in.
So now I guess you now understand why I had to buy 2 of them on the get-go. Don't worry, I'll save you all the stress of looking for this product on JUMIA, because I'm going to place the link right in the description. To do more of this kind of videos, please just subscribe, comment, like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.